हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु। सॉरी थोड़ा लेट हो गया।
हरे कृष्णा चाचा।
हरे कृष्णा बेटा मेरा, कैसे है? ओके ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद हरे कृष्णा मंत्र। ओके, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna Piyush Vida. So everybody can chant Hare Krishna mantra one time. So Hitashi, can you chant?
Yes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Hitashi. Alekhya?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare.
Harshi? Harshi, you need to chant one more time because we could not hear your voice. Thank you, Harshi Vida. Yes, Piyush.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare.
Thank you, Piyush. Yes,
प्रभु जी, मैं ना कल थोड़ी देर बाद ना 5-10 मिनट में मेरा डॉक्टर आएगा इंजेक्शन लगाने, तो मैंने एक बार वीडियो उस टाइम पॉज कर लूंगा। मेरा ब्लड टेस्ट होने वाला, मेरा बुखार अच्छा ना, वॉमिटिंग हो रहा था तब से, तो मैं अभी थोड़ा वेल हूं।
ठीक है बेटा, चलेगा।
प्रभु जी।
Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhu ji.
Hare Krishna Meda and Geet. It's Vanshika. Please can you chant beta Hare Krishna mantra?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare.
Thank you. Yes, Meda and Geet.
Prabhuji, Geet is not here.
Okay. Yes, please. Can you chant Hare Krishna mantra beta?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Excuse me, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Prabhuji, can I join after 10 minutes because I have to go to temple?
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Yes, Meda.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
And how is Geet? Where is he? Where is she?
Prabhuji, Geet has some other class going on.
Okay, no problem. Yes.
She'll join in another 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. Thank you. Yes.
And Prabhuji, I wanted to tell that Geet understood that thing.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Yes. Yes, Sanskrit and Nitya. Sanskriti and Nitya, beta.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Please switch on your video, beta. We can see you on camera that you are fighting while class also. Okay, so let it on. Okay? Thank you, beta. Thank you, beta. Okay, so Pratyush is here today. Yes, Pratyush, can you chant, beta? Hare Krishna. Okay, let Pratyush get connected. Mishka, can you chant, beta? Mishka and Paridhi.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, बोलिए पीयूष।
प्रभु आप मेरे को भी बुला रहे थे ना?
नहीं, मैं प्रत्युष अच्छा, that's there's a one more person connected.
प्रत्युष है क्या? मैं को पीयूष सुनाई देती है। Sorry.
Okay. Okay, Mishka, Paridhi, Please, can you chant beta Hare Krishna mantra?
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jai, thank you. And Pariti beta?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you beta. And Tusha Doshi?
She is a new participant from Activakers.
Okay.
She's joined today.
Okay. उनका नाम तुषा ही है?
Trisha.
Tusha. Okay. Please, can you chant beta and switch on your video? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Okay, meanwhile, Vishaka, can you chant beta Hare Krishna mantra?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Thank you, beta. So, okay. So, okay. Tusha, can you hear us? Tuisha. Okay, no problem. So, thank you everybody for coming here on Sunday for our this value education class. And I'm very happy. I don't know whether you like or not, but I really look forward for this class because I really enjoy with all of you. So, okay, let's have a quick recap of previous session. Anybody can share the previous session, any point or any story we had discussed? I think last session I shared one new story there. Who can tell? Okay, yes, Hitashi's hand is raised and Alekhya. Okay, so let's hear from Alekhya first, then Hitashi. Okay, yes, Alekhya. Okay, maybe some connection problem. Yes, Hitashi, you can tell.
मेरे को कोई स्टोरी नहीं सुनानी, पर आपने एक रामायण का बताया था.
क्या था रामायण से?
वो आपने बताया था कि वो उसके कई की दासी मंत्र ने उनको बोला था कि देखो अब राम बनने वाला है राजा. तो वो तो फिर वो केकई को बोलती है, तो केकई तो फिर वो जाके दशरथ को बोलती हैं कि मेरे को ना वो राम जी को वनवास भेजना है 14 इयर्स के लिए.
ओके, एंड और क्या मांगती है?
और मांगती हैं कि तब भरत वो राजा बनेगा.
ओके, ऐसा क्यों कहती हैं वो?
क्योंकि मंत्र बोली.
अच्छा, उनको इनसिक्योरिटी हो गया कि अगर भरत राजा बन जाएंगे तो nobody will care for them. Yeah. और what was the lesson from that?
तो फिर राम जी बोले ओके करके, और दशरथ ऑलमोस्ट, और वो दशरथ ऑलमोस्ट बेहोश हो गए थे और वो बेड पे थे.
या थैंक यू बेटा, वेरी नाइस. यस Alekhya, are you there now? Yeah, Mataji, she is able to join. Alekhya?
Yes, Prabhuji, let me just check the place where she is. Probably there's some internet connection problem. I'll just check.
Okay, so any other point from previous session? I shared one story also on the karma, new story. Anybody able to remember that story? In that story, there was a cow, there was a hunter, and there was one sage. Yes, Alekhya, बोलिए.
आपने एक स्टोरी बताया था, तो उसका एक दिन हाथ कट गया था. तो फिर वो एक साधु के
बैठे हम फिर उनसे पूछते थे कि मैंने तो ऐसे कुछ गलती नहीं किया तो मेरा हाथ ऐसे क्यों कट गया। तो उन्होंने बोला कि एक दिन एक को काऊ आई थी और एक को हंटर था, तो हंटर ने पूछा था उनको कि आपने काऊ को देखते हुए गया है। तो उन्होंने बोला कि सोचा कि अगर हम झूठ बोलेगा तो मुझे पाप मिलेगा, पर अगर हम बोल देगा तो काऊ मर जाएगी। तो उसने तब भी वो बोला नहीं, पर उसने अपने हाथ से दिखाया कि काऊ इस तरफ गई है। फिर एक दिन वही काऊ एक लड़की के रूप में आती है और उसके हस्बैंड उसे बहुत मारते थे, टॉर्चर करते थे। तो उसने उसे बोला कि मुझे प्लीज बचा लो, तुम मुझे मार दो। फिर जो वो लड़की थी उसकी वाइफ, उसने उसे मार दिया। फिर वो सारे गांव वाले को बुलाई और फिर वो बोली कि इसने मेरे पति को मार दिया। तो गांव वाले को लगा कि उसने उसे सच्ची में मार दिया, तो वो उन लोग को ब्लेम करके उसका हाथ काट दिया। तो ये एक सेकंड भूल गई।
चलिए कोई बात नहीं। या वेरी नाइस, आपने काफ़ी अच्छे से बताया। आपने स्टोरी में पहले सस्पेंस भी बताया कि एक साधु था जिसका हाथ काट दिया गया था, तो अभी अपने गुरु के पास जाते हैं, फिर उनसे पूछते हैं ऐसा क्या हुआ। फिर वो बताते हैं कि पास्ट लाइफ में ऐसा पहले ऐसे हुआ था, उन्होंने एक गाय को दिखा दिया था हाथ से, इसलिए उनका अभी हाथ काट।
प्रभु जी आपका आवाज बहुत धीमा आ रहा है।
ओके बेटा, थैंक यू, आपने मुझे बताया। इज इट बेटर नाउ? इज इट बेटर क्या?
यस प्रभु जी।
थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू। ओके, तो हम बोल रहे थे आलेख्या ने बहुत अच्छे से बताया, सारा कहानी के डिटेल्स को कैप्चर किया। तो लेसन और बस बचा है। यस, वो विल टेल। अच्छा बताइए, लेसन में बताइए।
हाँ, फिर वो साधु ने उनको बोला कि तुमने वो काऊ के बारे में, वो हंटर को इसी हाथों से बनाया, तो तुम्हारे कर्मा के कारण गांव वाले ने तुम्हारा वही हाथ काट दिया, क्योंकि तुमने उसी हाथ से पॉइंट किया था कि भाई काऊ उस तरफ जा रहा है।
यस यस, ओके, यस यस, बोलिए हिताशी, देन मेडम, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से?
तो अगर वो मुंह से बोलते कि वो उधर गई है तो फिर क्या होता?
अच्छा, दैट आई विल आंसर लेटर, थैंक यू। यस मेडम।
प्रभु जी मैंने क्विज सॉल्व किया था, पर मुझे कुछ क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आए।
ठीक है, वी विल टेक वन बाय वन दोस क्विज आल्सो। थैंक यू। सो हु, अच्छा वंशिका, विशाखा, हाउ आर यू? यस Vishaka, good. You are able, do you remember any point from previous session?
I remember the point, ma'am. Prabhuji, not specifically, but I remember some points of the previous class. The story I remembered, the story that Alekhya told, I remember that, and can't just recall the things. Sorry. Prabhuji, your video has been paused.
Prabhuji, your video is paused and we cannot.
Prabhuji, your video is paused.
Beta, I think Prabhuji's got disconnected. Let us wait for him to come back.
Now I'm back. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Vanshika. Yes, Vishaka. आप बोल रहे थे.
Prabhuji, I was telling I could not recall the things properly.
Okay, no problem, beta. I was also feeling you were little lost. That's why I asked you. Sorry, don't mind. Okay. Okay. So previous session there was not much discussion, but there was a mainly question answer over there, and few points I had shared regarding how we can decide should we do it or not do it, what actions are proper and what actions we get a reaction. Because in the session before the last session, we had discussed that we should tolerate, because whenever there is some difficulty comes in our life, we need to see that it is because of our previous karma. So it's better to tolerate. Then in the last session, I shared that one pastime, one special, when the soldier is there, and when soldier is fighting against another country or terrorist, then he is awarded. But the same soldier, when he comes to his village, and if he has a fight with neighbor, and if he kills a neighbor, then he is punished. So same person, when he kills at the border, he is awarded. But the same person, when he kills at home or the neighbor, he is punished. Why? That was my topic of discussion last session. Yes.
प्रभु जी, क्योंकि वो अगर वो सोल्जर में जब वो सोल्जर है तब वो मार रहा है, तो फिर वो उसकी ड्यूटी है, वो अपने एनिमीज को मार रहा है. और ऐसे अगर वो नेबर्स में मार रहा है तो फिर वो तो बेफालतू में मार रहा है बिना कुछ किए, उसका वो कुछ है भी नहीं.
Okay, so that's why
में वो अगर बॉर्डर में तो फिर उसको कुछ नहीं होगा, वो उसका ड्यूटी है.
Okay, so action done for a duty is good, but if we are doing for our sense gratification, then we get a reaction. Is it okay? Okay, so thank you. Similarly, I had in the quiz I shared some more questions, like when a doctor is there or surgeon is there, he uses knife and cut a stomach, then he get the salary or he get a payment. But if same knife, if he use at home to to hit somebody, he is punished. Why? The purpose is different. At the first, he is using that knife to cure somebody. And the second, he is using knife to hurt somebody. So that's why the reactions are different. Similarly, one more question was there, that if there is an executioner, the Jallad in the prison, who gives the death punishment, capital punishment. So he is killing people whenever there is some capital punishment is there, but he is getting salary for killing people. But if he kills his neighbor, he is punished. Why?
Because
yes, Hitashi, because
he killed his neighbor.
Yeah. And
but if he killed the patient who came in the hospital, it can be by mistake.
Okay. Yes, but that the executioner, the person who gives the death capital punishment, when he kills somebody in the prison house, he is doing out of duty. But if he kills his neighbor, that is not proper, because it is not ordered by the government. So it is not his duty. So that's why he get punishment. So there were some questions regarding that karma, akarma, vikarma. And the last, there were some questions like Shreyas and Priyas. What is Shreya? What is the meaning of Shreya? Any girl, any your friend's name is Shreya? Okay, Vanshika, please tell.
अबू जी श्रेया नाम है.
अच्छा, मैं वंशिका को बोल लीजिए, यस वंशिका, सॉरी विशाखा.
अलग है.
Diksha ka
Prabhuji, I don't have a friend, but my sister, her name is Shreya.
Okay, what is the meaning of Shreya beta?
मुझे पर स्पेलिंग अलग है दोनों श्रेया।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन मतलब तो सेम ही है। अच्छा, श्रेया का मतलब होता है जो श्रेष्ठ है, हु इज श्रेष्ठ, हु इज गुड फॉर अस, may not be so much liking of us, but it is good for us. That is Shreya. And what is Priya?
Which is not liking for us.
And Priya is liking, beta. Priya is liking, but may not be good. Yes.
Prabhuji, it may be liking for us, but it is not good for us.
अच्छा बेटा, we will raise hand, ठीक है क्या, so that everybody will get chance बेटा, ठीक है. Yes, because yes, Tusha is newcomer with us, so we will like to welcome Tusha. Hare Krishna Tusha, happy to see you. Can you unmute yourself? Hare Krishna. Okay, you try to unmute, then introduce yourself. So, in which standard do you study, and what are your habits, and what do you want to be in your life? Okay, let her unmute. Okay, meanwhile we continue over. So there were some questions on Shreyas and Priyas. So what is Priyas? Yes, who said that? Okay, what is Priya? Again, who can tell me? Yes, Harshi has not spoken anything. Yes, Harshi, beta. Yes. Yes, Harshi. It's we like it, but it may not be good for us. What is the example for that? Okay, thank you, Harshi. But somehow your voice comes very low. Okay, you can ask Papa to why my voice comes so low. Yes, Hitachi, what she replied?
He said that
Yeah.
Shreyas means that which is good, and we have to do that.
Yeah.
And Priyas is which we do, but it is not good for us.
Yeah, which we like it, but may not be good for us. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Like eating chocolates in midnight.
Okay, thank you, beta. You're so smart. Thank you, beta. And hot potatoes is also not good. But we like it. Okay. Thank you, beta. So, okay, let's continue over. Yes, any question which you could not understand, beta? For you, that only I asked these questions. Yes.
Prabhuji, my all questions are cleared.
Okay, thank you, beta.
Prabhuji.
Yeah.
1 second. Prabhuji, I wanted to ask that are we allowed to join the quiz again and again?
Yes, actually, generally it's not, but you can join, no problem with that.
Because Prabhuji, Nitya has joined 3 times, so it's obvious that now she knows all the answers and she will only do it correct now.
Yeah, it's not actually, it's not proper.
Prabhuji,
okay,
प्रभुजी हमको सब पता था, पर वो बहुत जल्दी आ रहा था क्वेश्चन, मतलब हैंग हो गया था इसीलिए.
अच्छा ठीक है, बस in genuine case it's allowed, but when we misuse our freedom, it's wrong. ठीक, that is the answer, because we lose the opportunity for learning, and just for the getting first position we are doing again and again. It's wrong, but it's because of some connection problem if we missed out, then we can do it again. ठीक है बेटा, we can be true to ourselves. Thank you beta, nice question. Yes Alekhya, what is your question? And
दो बार कर लिया था मुझको, क्योंकि जब मैं एक फोन से की तब वो बीच उसमें मतलब पूरा हैंग हो गया, इसलिए मैं पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाई थी।
Okay, no problem बेटा, ठीक है बेटा, चलेगा. In that case is allowed बेटा, ठीक है. And we are here to learn. We are not here to get up highest marks. I just do it because so that everybody encouraged to do it. Here we are for learning. That is our purpose. This is for healthy competition. It's not like by getting highest marks we will become successful in our life. We become successful by learning those things and applying in our life. Okay? Thank you, beta. Yes. Okay. Yes, Tusha, are you able to unmute yourself?
Yes,
huh? Yes, beta.
Prabhuji, she said she's not able to, button is not working.
Now it's working. She is able to mute. Yes. Just now she was able to unmute. Okay, no problem, beta. It's okay. Okay. So yes, Mataji, can you introduce her about something about Tusha?
Prabhuji, she is Prisha Doshi,
Yeah.
and she's
okay.
And I am not very sure whether she's done Vrindavan class earlier or not. But Vibha Mataji had shared her number with me to join her in the class. So probably this is the first class of hers, and she's feeling a little hesitant to talk.
Okay. So that's why I was able to see from her face. That's why I wanted to introduce her.
She's a very sweet child, Prabhu. She's a very sweet child, very active in all the activities which happen in the building. And she's a very sweet, well-mannered girl.
Yeah. So we will everybody like to welcome her and in our family of Vrindavan Gardens. Thank you, Bida. Okay, so let's start today's session. Okay, today I have a very interesting question. So you everybody hear this question, and I'll share this question when Mishka will switch on her video, and Sanskriti and Nitya also will switch on their video. Then I'll share this question. Okay, this is very interesting question. Okay, so everybody switch on your videos. Okay, thank you. So this question is, so in this first session, we understood about karma. That for every action, there is a reaction. And we are accountable for our actions. And there are many witnesses like sun god, moon god, earth, Paramatma. They all witness our actions. Not only actions, even our thoughts are witnessed. Okay. So there is law of karma. And we are under those law of karma. That was first lesson. In the second lesson, we learned that whatever some difficulties we are facing, it is because of our past karma. So it's better to tolerate, not to fight, not to become angry. Okay. And in the third session, we shared that how to know which action is proper, which action is not proper. We can check it with Guru, Sadhu, Shastra. Is it mentioned in the Shastra? Is it according to scriptures? Is it pleasing to God? If it is pleasing to God, it is our duty, then there's no reaction. If we are doing for our own Sanskrit definition and it is against the Shastras, then we will get a reaction. Like if somebody eats non-veg, he kills animal, so he will get a reaction. Okay, because God doesn't like it. Simple example. Okay, so now third session. In the last session, one more thing which Geet asked, and many times she asks, that is very important, because there are four kind of people. The first, and who are most intelligent, they learn by hearing. The second category of people, they learn by seeing. The third category of people, they learn by experience. And fourth category of people, they even do not learn by hearing, by seeing, and by experiencing. Okay. So my question is, in our life also, many times our parents ask not to do it. We should not do it. We should not fight it. And we have seen in our life, we have experienced in our life, and still we do not able to do. Does it happen to anybody of you? Anything which is not proper, you knew that it is, I should not do this thing. Okay, and we should not point to anybody else. Okay, anything which we are not supposed to do and we are asked not to do, and we have seen also it is not good for us, but still we are forced to do it. Like, I'll give you my example. Okay, I'll give you an example. Like, I know I should not become angry. I know I should tolerate. Like in previous one of other class, I was giving the example that if anything's happened to us, it is because of our own past karma, and we should tolerate. Like I was giving the example of Earth. Mother Earth tolerates so much. Like people do so many things on Mother Earth, she tolerates. So similarly, I should also tolerate. So I have seen it, and I even teach also, but still I become angry. So this happens. So does it happen with you also? Anything which your father asks or mother asks, you should not do it, and you know it, you should not do it, and you have experience also. If you do it, it's wrong, but still you are forced to do it. Yes, can you give any of you the example of this?
Prabhuji, I do not understand your question.
Okay, ठीक है. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल से बताता हूँ. जैसे कि हमारे माता पिता बोलते हैं कि this is exam time, you should not watch TV. ठीक है. Parents saying you should not. You heard it, and you have experience also. When exam time we play so much or we watch TV, then your marks reduce, or your mind is not able to concentrate. You have heard it. You have... Yes, beta. बोलिए. You are you unmute first. You are mute, beta. Sanskriti, you are mute.
और खेलो एग्जाम टाइम में.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Let me complete this so that everybody understand. Thank you. So, Meda, like in the sometime our parents ask us not to watch TV in exam time. Like it's not case with you, so somebody can understand. Okay, so they ask not to watch TV. So parents are asking, we heard it, but still we are not able to accept it. And we experience also when we watch TV in exam time, it's difficult to study, but still we do it. We have heard it, we have experienced it, and still we are not able to follow instructions of our parents. Is it clear now with this example? Or should I give you one more example? Okay, chocolate example. So if parent asks, chocolates are not good for you. Still, when parents are not there, we secretly go and eat chocolates. Does it happen with you? Okay, no.
Prabhuji, one over here, Prabhuji. 2 hands.
Okay, 2 hands. Okay.
Also me also.
Prabhuji, it happens with me also.
Okay. Actually,
प्रभुजी हम तो चॉकलेट अब वैसे छोटे से लिए बहुत ज्यादा खाता था क्योंकि मेरे बाबा में वैसे ही है.
Okay. Actually,
मेरे से ज्यादा वो चॉकलेट खाते थे. अब वो चॉकलेट्स खाना ही छोड़ दिए.
अच्छा, थैंक यू बेटा, आप बड़े हो गए.
प्रभुजी, मेरा तो किराना शॉप है. मैं जब मेरा मन करता है मैं तो तब उठा के खा लेती हूँ.
हाँ, तो but Meda is very well cultured, so she is Shakespeare is not difficult to her to understand.
जी.
Yes.
प्रभु जी, जब मैं छोटी थी तब मैं बिल्कुल चॉकलेट नहीं खाती थी, पर अभी मैं once in a month खा लेती हूँ.
That's why you're a very nice girl. Okay, so is it clear now? At least you understood the scenario. Okay, so who can share such things which you do not want to do and you know it's not good for us, but still you are forced to do it? You remember I shared the story of 2 dogs. Everybody has 2 dogs, good dog, bad dog. Yeah, what was that? Who can tell? Yes, Hitachi. Yes, tell us.
Good dog is you get up in the morning like you get up at 3 or 4 o'clock when the sun comes. Yeah. And when the moon comes, we have to sleep. Okay,
so these good habits are good dogs.
Good dog. And the bad habits is sleep at 12, 1 o'clock and then get up at 8, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And having a night over. What is that? Night over? Na? Oh.
Sleepover.
Sleepover. I said now kids have a new term, sleepover. I never heard this sleepover term. Anyway, thank you. Yes, sir. Yeah, let Vanshika speak. Beta. Vanshika is not able to speak. Our most active girl. Yes, Vanshika. Vishaka. Yes, Vishaka.
Prabhuji, there had been an thing that I was told there was a packet of chocolates last month only. This happened. There was a packet of chocolates. It was kept in the fridge. So that day it was a Ekadasi. So mom told me, don't eat this today. You'll
Okay.
eat this tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
So I left it today. After that, the next day when I
Yeah.
told my mother, she told,
Yeah.
no, you don't eat it now.
Okay.
Sometime else don't eat it because it's really bad for your health.
Okay.
Okay, then she went. I was like this. I wanted chocolate. So I just took secretly a piece of it and did.
Okay. Yeah. So it happens. So yes. So okay. Anybody else want to share in such any case? Yes. Yes.
I
Yeah.
have a question. Really a question.
Okay. I'll answer question later first. Anybody else? Yes. So any other example other than the chocolate and the, yes, Meda, please speak.
Prabhuji,
Yeah.
once my friends were cycling, we cycled in the basement because of Corona.
Mm-hmm.
But first we used to cycle in the ground floors, then sometimes in the basement. One day we all were cycling. There's a road near the basement. We all were cycling there.
Yeah.
And my friends forced me to go to the place where there was the gate where cars enter.
Okay.
I was telling them I do not have to go. I do not have to go, but they forced me, and then I had to go there because I wouldn't stand alone.
Yeah.
Because it was dark that time.
Yeah.
And then that time my parents came and then I got scolded.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Bida. So yes, thank you, Bida. Very nice example. So this happens in our life because of our friends.
वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल चॉकलेट्स में हम लोग चॉकलेट खा रहे हैं मम्मी बोलिए सबके साथ शेयर करो हम बोल रहे हैं नहीं शेयर हम नहीं करेंगे मेरा फेवरेट है
Yes, very good example. That everybody asked and we should share. Yes, ये बोलो बेटा.
एक क्वेश्चन है जब हम लोग एकादशी करते हैं तब भी हम लोग को सब कुछ खाने का क्यों मन करता है चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम पिज्जा बर्गर उस दिन सब कुछ ऐसा क्यों
अच्छा.
मैं तो भूल कर तोड़ भी चुका है स्कूल में हम स्कूल में करते थे
हाँ बेटा एक्चुअल में क्या होता है when we are doing fasting ना our tongue becomes more hankering, our desire to eat becomes more. That's why because of fasting, it's the nature of fasting. But on the other days we already had so much, so we don't like to eat more. So like when the example is given, when we want to control our mind, we feel like it is more agitating. But when we do not want, then we feel our mind is peaceful. But when we control it, when we chant, then it's very difficult to control. Because when that time we consciously try to control. Yes, I'll take 2 more questions, then I'll continue my topic, Baba. But else my topic will remain. Yes, Alekhya and Hitashi. Last 2 questions.
चाचा जब हम लोग अपने हाथ पे मेहंदी लगाते हैं तब खुजली क्यों होती है तभी खुजली होती है
अच्छा बेटा how is it related with class? Okay, ठीक है बेटा मैं क्लास के बाद आंसर करता हूँ ठीक है यस अलेख्या थैंक यू बेटा नाइस क्वेश्चन यस अलेख्या
मेरे साथ भी एकादशी के दिन सेम ही होता है जब भी मेरा एकादशी का दिन होता है फिर मुझे किचन में ब्रेड मिलता है बटर मिलता है भुजिया मिलता है फिर जब मैं नॉर्मल डेज में खाती हूँ तब मैं सोचती हूँ कि अब तो मुझे खाना ही नहीं है स्कूल में भी सेम होता है स्कूल में जब एकादशी होता है तब भी सब लोग अच्छा खाना लेके आते हैं मैगी पास्ता सैंडविच और नॉर्मल डेज में फिर सब लोग रोटी सब्जी लेके आते हैं
एक्चुअली ये दोनों को रिलेटेड है बेटा क्या वो तो मैं हिताशी का क्वेश्चन भी आंसर कर देता हूँ थैंक यू डियर फॉर आस्किंग सो क्या होता है व्हेन समबडी आस्क नॉट टू थिंक अ ब्लैक कैट कोई बोले नॉट टू थिंक ऑफ ब्लैक कैट डू नॉट थिंक अबाउट ब्लैक कैट. आप एक काली बिल्ली के बारे में मत सोचो. जब आपको ऐसा बोला जाता है तो आप क्या सोचते हैं? तो किसका विचार आता है? यस वंशिका.
वो है क्या?
ब्लैक कैट का.
हाँ. So when it is asked not to itch, and we know we cannot itch on the hand because of mehendi is there. So वहीं पे itching होता है. तो similarly when we are asked not to eat on Ekadashi, at that time we especially get a desire to eat. Similarly, so both are connected. Thank you, beta. So Mike, coming back to our topic. So this happens, beta. Even we do not.
प्रभु जी, अगर काली बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट लिया तो?
अच्छा बेटा, ठीक है, मैं ये क्लास के बाद जाओ करता हूँ. ठीक है. सो बेटा, ओके, सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this is very important. You hear carefully. This will, if you learn these things, will really help you in life. Okay, so everybody want to become a perfect gentleman in your life. Everybody want to become successful in your life, isn't it? Say yes. Raise your hand at least. Yes. Who? Okay. So everybody want to. So if we follow our instructions of our parents, if we do the good things, then only we will become successful. But we are not able to do, then we will not become successful. If we are able to follow those instructions, we will become successful. So now question comes, sometimes we are not able to do, even when we know it is not good for us, still we are not able to follow those instructions. Our parents ask not to eat chocolates, our parents ask not to watch TV, our parents ask not to do this and that, but still we are forced to do because of our friends, because of our environment. So how to protect yourself? That is the question. Okay, so this is the thing. And there's one more question, I think last to last class Nitya on Sanskriti asked. So if I pinch her and if she pinch me, then who will get the reaction? Something like that question I was asked. What was that question? Okay, why you? Yes, बोलिए. नित्यान संस्कृति जो भी कोई भी बोलिए. किसका क्वेश्चन था वो? हाँ, क्या क्वेश्चन था बोलिए.
प्रभु जी, ये क्वेश्चन था कि सपोज हमने नित्या को मारा. अच्छा, तो नित्या ने हमने नित्या को मारा. हमने नित्या को मारा, नित्या ने हमको फिर से मारा. और तो खुद क्वेश्चन बोला. सॉरी प्रभु जी, सपोज हमने नित्या को किक किया.
ओके.
तो फिर हमको वापस से किक.
यस.
फिर हमने इसको वापस से किक किया, तो किसको है?
हाँ.
ऑब्वियसली आपको.
ठीक है, थैंक यू. अब म्यूट कर दीजिए आप. थैंक यू बेटा. सो हमने बोला था कि देखिए, आपने उसको करा, उसको टॉलरेट करना चाहिए, उसको सोच के कि मैंने भी शायद पहले उनको पिंच किया होगा या मैंने पहले उनको हिट किया होगा, दैट्स व्हाई I got a reaction. But if we are doing, we will get a reaction. So how long it will continue? So I'll answer this question also, and I'll answer that how we can say no to those things. So okay. So when we I'll give you with this example. Somebody has done something wrong. Okay, somebody has broken some government law, and police has caught him. And he is in prison house, and he is going through his punishment. Okay, so how long he will go through those punishment depends about the crime. Is it clear up to here? Okay, but if he reform himself, and if he reformed himself, and if the authority feels he is reformed, so there is no need of punishment, then they release him. This happens in the prison also. Then if they see, oh, this is a nice person, he is reformed himself, so there is no need of punishment. So once reformed, he will not go through any punishment anymore. Does that make sense? If it clear, then you can understand the second part. Is it clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Vanshika, is it clear? Okay. So show your thumb. Thank you. Okay, Alika, is it clear? Alika, Meda. Okay, thank you. So similarly, in our
Prabhuji,
life,
it is not clear to Hitashi.
okay, Hitashi, it's not clear. Thank you. I could not see your thumb down. So I'll explain again. जैसे कि किसी ने कोई गलती किया और उसको पुलिस पकड़ के लेके गया, अब वो जेल में है. और पर्पस ऑफ जेल इज टू रिफॉर्म पीपल. पर्पस ऑफ द जेल इज नॉट टू पनिश.
रिफॉर्म्ड पीपल मतलब
रिफॉर्म मतलब जो सुधारना लोगों को. जैसे कि किसी ने बहुत बड़ा गलती करा, तो जेल का जो पर्पस है उनको रिफॉर्म करना, उनको ठीक करना. Does that make sense? Okay. So the punishment is the mean to reform, but punishment is not the purpose. Okay. So when person is reformed, they release him. Is it clear now? Similarly, we are getting reactions of our previous past karma. But if we reform ourselves, we will be free from all the reactions. And not only we will free from previous reactions, and we also will become free from the inclinations of sinful activities. That is important. Like those inclinations, those desires only push us to do wrong. Like habits, the bad habits, like not to get up in early morning. It's because of our previous night we slept late, or because of long times we have a wrong bad routine. That's why we are not able to get up. But if we are slowly improve ourselves and follow the instructions of our parents, then we can become free. So the best way, so here's the conclusion, comes the point, that if we become sincere in our endeavor, if we follow the instructions of the God, then we will become free from all past sinful reactions and our sinful inclinations. For that, I'll give you two stories. Okay, these two stories are very important. One is from Ramayana and one is from Mahabharata. Okay, so the first one is from Ramayana. So who can tell me the right author of a Ramayana? Who wrote the Ramayana? Yes, Ramayana किसने लिखा?
Prabhuji, your voice is not clear.
Okay, मेरा क्वेश्चन है बेटा, रामायण किसने लिखा? Who was the author of Ramayana?
Yes, Prabhuji, मुझे आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रहा,
बोल सकती हूँ?
हाँ, आप सब लोग हाथ खड़ा कर
प्रभु जी
सकते हैं.
मैं बोल सकती हूँ?
हाँ, आप सब लोग हाथ खड़ा कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, फिर मैं जिसने अभी तक कुछ नहीं बोला उसको चांस देता हूँ. ठीक है, तो मेधा वांट टू है, अलेखा, हिताशी एंड यस, मेधा आप बोलिए.
प्रभु जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना?
यस बेटा, क्लियरली आ रही है.
प्रभु जी रामायण लिखी.
यस बेटा. नहीं, अभी आवाज नहीं आ रहा आपका.
मैं बोल सकती हूँ?
प्रभु जी
बेटा उसको बोलने दो तो अच्छा रहेगा ना, बिकॉज इफ शी इज एबल टू स्पीक.
प्रभु जी शायद रामायण लिखी है गाब्रिएल शारीगर.
ओके, यस हिताशी, व्हाट वाज योर आंसर?
वो जो लव कुश, जब
जिस आश्रम में थे. हाँ,
तब उधर एक गुरु जी थे, उनने लिखा था रामायण.
हाँ, उनका नाम बताना है. यस, आपने सही बताया.
उनका नाम मेरे को नहीं पता.
यस अलेख्या.
प्रभु जी मुझे पता है.
यस बोलिए, आप बोलिए.
प्रभु जी वो राम जो वो थे क्या उनका नाम वाल्मीकि था.
करेक्ट. यस, वाल्मीकि था. यस, तो वाल्मीकि ऋषि wrote a Ramayana. Okay, and he was in his previous life. Before he became sage, he was one dacoit. Dacoit, you know? Okay, dacoit is the person who loot people, who lives in forest and who loot people. Like daku.
Daku.
Yes.
Daku.
Okay. So he was a daku. So he used to. Yes, beta. बोलो बेटा।
प्रभु जी एक क्वेश्चन।
अच्छा देखो हम क्या है, ठीक है पूछो बेटा, क्वेश्चन पूछो।
प्रभु जी जैसे हम ना लाइक सुबह स्कूल उठने के लिए जल्दी नहीं उठ पाते हैं, पर हम खेलने के लिए सुबह जल्दी उठ जाते हैं। जैसे अब हम खेलने के लिए उठने का लाइक हम लोग प्लान बनाए हैं, तो हम जल्दी उठना है सिर्फ, या पढ़ाई भी करना?
अच्छा ठीक है, नाइस क्वेश्चन बेटा। ठीक है बेटा, हमको दोनों है, हमको जल्दी उठ के पढ़ाई करना है, जल्दी उठना भी है और पढ़ाई भी करना है। और हम लोग जल्दी उठ जाते हैं खेलने के लिए क्योंकि वो हमको अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता है इसलिए उठते नहीं है। तो हमको पढ़ने में टेस्ट डेवलप करेंगे तो स्लोली से हम सुबह को जल्दी उठ के पढ़ने के लिए भी उठने लगेंगे। वो टेस्ट नहीं है इसलिए हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है। स्लोली से वी नीड टू डेवलप टेस्ट। सो बोथ द थिंग्स आई नीड टू डू। हाँ, ऐसा नहीं करना है कि सुबह सुबह उठ कर ओके आईपीएल गेम इज शारजा है, आईपीएल गेम्स आर कमिंग इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग, so I'm getting up to watch those matches, so that is not good.
No, Prabhu ji, I go down and play.
अच्छा बेटा ठीक है, let me complete that story of Balmiki बेटा. Okay, so Balmiki was a dacoit in previously, and he used to kill people, he used to loot people, and like that he used to take care of his family. So one fine day, when he was doing his regular activities of looting people in that forest, many sages came. And while sages were traveling there, this Ratnakar, Daku, caught them. And he asked, whatever you have, hand over that to me. I am... Yes, Vishaka?
Prabhuji, the Mahabharat story you are telling?
Yes, Mahabharata. In Ramayana it comes, not Mahabharata, beta. Ramayana comes. Yes. So that Daku asks them, you hand over everything, whatever you have. And that's, they say, we as a sages, we do not have anything. We don't have pocket to keep anything. So we don't have. So no, whatever you have, give to me. And he was very insisting. And then the sages ask, why do you do this? Why you loot people? Do you know what reactions you will get? You will suffer. You know, who will take those reactions? So he's saying, I'm doing this for my family, and my family will share the responsibility. So I'm not the person who will take all the responsibility. So the sages asked him, you go and ask your family members, will they take the sinful reactions for your behalf? So he said, okay, I'll go and ask. So he went to his family member. He asked his wife, so to take care of you, I kill people, I loot people. So will you share the reactions of this karma? Then the wife replied, no. Why not? Because it is your duty to take care of us. So if you are doing anything wrong, so you will get the reactions. We will not share those reactions. We do not want you to do any sinful activities and to take care of us. That day he asked his children, why? Will you take the sinful reactions? I am doing this for you. The children replied, no. So he got the wisdom. Then he thought, oh, okay. So whatever action I am doing, I will only get the reactions. I have to suffer those reactions. So he went back to the sages. Then the sages says, okay, so you do one thing. So what the sages replied, what he should do? The famous things. The sages replied, you chant the name of yes, Hitachi Dhanalika.
Ramji?
Yes, correct. Then the dacoit said, I cannot chant the Lord of Ram. I never said the Lord Ram. I can say Mara, Mara, Mar, Ra, Mar, but Ram, I never said. I will not be able to say Ram every time. I am used to say Mara, 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 Ra, Ra, Ram, Mara, Mara, Ra, Ra, Mara. Lekin Ram, so I never able to say. Then they said, okay, you do one thing. You say Mara, 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 Ra, Ra, Ra. So slowly it will become Ram. So then from that day, the dacoit started chanting of Lord Rama slowly with Mara, Mara, and he became Ram, 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 Ram. And all his sinful reactions are removed. And the same person who was dacoit become purified and become a sage, such a wonderful sage. Then he wrote a Ramayana. See the power of holy name. So how he got so much strength? By the name of holy name. How he became free from all sinful reactions? By the holy name. So we also suffer because of our sinful reactions, but if we take shelter of Lord's holy name, then we will become free from all the sinful reactions and we will get strength to follow the right path. Does that make sense to you? Yes or no? Okay. So for our, now it comes the lesson, but there's one more story I wanted to share, Ajamila, that I'll share next time. But I'll introduce that the chanting, we should chant better. In the Kali Yuga especially, people are not so intelligent and they get a wrong path. But if we chant the Lord's holy name, we get a strength to take a right path. So all of you who chants, Vishaka, do you chant? Yes. How many rounds? How many times do you chant?
Prabhuji, the Purushottam Mas I gave Diya every day, read the Bhagavad Gita and did one mala. And in the normal days, I do one mala.
Okay.
108 times.
So very nice. So Vishaka every day chants Hare Krishna mantra at 108 times. Thank you, Vishaka.
Prabhuji.
Yes.
मुझे हम लोग टोटल संस्कृति और नृत्य हम दोनों चार माला करते हैं और जन्माष्टमी के दिन हम लोग ने पूरा 16 माला किया था.
जय जय. तो संस्कृति और नृत्य एवरीडे 4 माला करते हैं. Very nice. And who else we have? Okay, Pariti or Mishka, do you chant sometime?
Every night before sleeping, I chant 108 times. And there's a mantra which we should say before sleeping, so we get good dreams.
Okay, thank you. So this is a good advantage. While you sleep, you get the good dreams if you chant. I remember Hitashi used to call me, Papa, Chacha, you please tell the God that I should not get a bad dreams. Then I call Krishna. Okay, Krishna, please do not send to bad dreams to Hitashi. So if we chant the Lord's name, then we will not get bad dreams. And we will get the dreams of Krishna. Yes, Smita.
Prabhuji. Prabhuji, before sleeping. Prabhuji, before sleeping, I chant the Gayatri mantra, and every day after I get dressed up, I do Aarti for Ganeshji and Lakshmi Mata.
Yeah, very nice. So what we will do from every day, we chant 11 times, at least 11 times. Who are not chanting Hare Krishna mantra? So you know the Hare Krishna mantra? Everybody knows. So from today onward, so who are chanting 108, you continue 108. Who are chanting 4, you chant 4 rounds. But who are not chanting, from today, every day please chant 11 rounds of Hare Krishna mantra. After you get up, after you take bath, okay, 11 rounds, 11 times. Okay, can you chant? Hidashi is able to chant. Alekia, how many times you chant? You must be chanting. Okay, she's not. So, okay, so Harshi Hitashi will chant. And when she
Prabhuji.
Yes, Mela.
Prabhuji, when I was in a class before last year, summer vacation, it was Sanskar Kendra. Over there also we learned a lot of shlokas.
Okay.
And we in the morning when I used to get up, I used to chant Om some 31 times, but now I don't do that.
Okay. तो बेटा अभी हरे कृष्ण मोहम्मद करेंगे, ठीक है, एवरी डे 11 टाइम्स, ठीक है. तो वंशिका यू विल आल्सो डू, Hitashi will do, Harshi will do, and Piyush, can you hear us? Piyush and Pariti, do you chant, beta? Pariti must be chanting. Yes, Pri.
Prabhuji, I chant like once in a week.
Okay, तो 11 times you can chant every day, beta. ठीक है? Then you will,
Okay.
Krishna will give you wisdom and he will give you intelligence that you can use your skills. You're such a talented girl, and if Krishna will give you more intelligence, you will do even wonder, isn't it? Na? So Krishna gives us intelligence. Okay, so please every day 11 times, beta. ठीक है? And I want that.
Prabhuji,
Yes, bolo.
Prabhuji, last class you had said that you were gonna tell us some names of Krishna and we're gonna play the game today.
Yeah, I got the Vishnu Sahasranam, and I'll share the Vishnu Sahasranam, but there were 1008 names. So I'll try to share not all of them in one go because it will be a huge list to remember. I am thinking to share in like 11 names or 10 names. So every week we'll remember 10 names. And like after a few weeks, we will play that game. Okay, slowly we will play. Yes. Okay, Vanshika, tell me.
Prabhuji, I have a question. Prabhuji, in Ramayana, Ramdev was Vishnu or Lakshman was Vishnu.
Okay, actually, sometime they both are Vishnu Tattva. It is said Rama and Lakshman both are Vishnu Tattva. Okay, and if you see from the from Bhagavan Shri Krishna expanded Balrama, and from Balrama there is expansion, quadruple expansion, Sankarshan, Padma, Anuruddha, Vasudev, like 4 expansion, then again 4 expansion, and then it comes Ram and Lakshmana. So exactly, if you say both are Vishnu Tattva, both comes from Vishnu. Okay, Rama and Lakshmana. Okay, so Vanshika, you will also chant 11 rounds every day. Okay, and Piyush, are you there, beta? And Tusha, do you have any question, beta, or are you able to unmute now? Acha. Yes, Tusha. Yes, Tusha. Yes, we could hear you at that time. Okay, no problem. You can write in the chat also if you have any question, and how you do you like this class or not? Any question and doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp group also and chat also. Okay, so I want to request you kindly chant every day 11 times and share in the WhatsApps. Okay, to send me. Okay, today I chanted 11 times. Okay, beta, for at least 1 week. Then you will get into the habits of chanting. So when you will chant, best is after you get up. But generally you rush to school, na? You do not have early morning school now. You're not going to school.
Prabhuji, I have early morning school.
Okay.
Prabhuji, we also
have early morning.
Okay. Generally, I remember. Okay, I remember generally my kids, they get up, they just somehow they take bath and they rush for the school. So at that time they are not able to chant. So if you are but your schools are open now?
Prabhuji, my classes start at 8.
8 from home.
Prabhuji, हम लोग का 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Prabhuji, mine
9 o'clock. या फिर 8:30.
9:15 AM से होता है.
ओके, तो आपको हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि आप प्लीज क्लास से पहले थोड़ा जल्दी उठ जाइए, 5 मिनट पहले उठ जाइए, पहले 5 मिनट पहले रेडी हो जाइए और क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक बार 11 टाइम्स हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र कर लीजिए, ठीक है?
प्रभु जी,
यस बोलिए।
प्रभु जी, कभी कभी तो मैं उठती हूँ, मैं क्लास में बैठ जाती हूँ बिना कुछ किए, तो कितनी सुबह सुबह क्लास होती है ना।
हाँ ठीक है, तो इन दैट केस हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, हम कोशिश करेंगे रात में जल्दी सोने का। एक्चुअली में मैं अपने बच्चों को कभी ये नहीं बोलता कि सुबह जल्दी उठो, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ रात में जल्दी सो जाओ। जब रात में हम जल्दी सो जाएंगे, हम सुबह को नेचुरली जल्दी उठ जाएंगे। रात में आप लेट सोते हैं क्या?
प्रभु जी कभी कभी 10 बजे और कभी कभी 12 बजे।
ओके, हाँ तो थोड़ा रात में जल्दी सोने की जरूरत है, ठीक है।
प्रभु जी हम लोग हमेशा 12 बजे।
आप लोग सबसे ज्यादा नोटी हैं। आप क्यों 12 बजे सोते रात में?
ऐसे
फाइट ऐसे
नींद
ही?
नहीं आती कल।
प्रभु जी पर मैं दिन में सो जाती हूँ।
हाँ।
प्रभु जी मैं दिन में 2 घंटा सोती हूँ फिर।
हाँ, तो हमको कोशिश करना चाहिए कि हम दिन में कम सोएं। वैसे अभी आप बच्चे हैं तो दिन में सो सकते हैं, दिन में हम कम सोएं और रात में जल्दी सो जाएं बेटा, ठीक है।
हम लोग कभी नहीं सोते।
लेकिन अच्छा हैबिट्स हम डेवलप करेंगे ना तो हम लोग के लिए अच्छा है बेटा। इस गेट अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग इज गुड हैबिट्स, स्लीप लेट इज नॉट गुड बेटा। यस वंशिका बेटा।
प्रभु जी क्वेश्चन, प्रभु जी जैसे कोई स्पेशल होता है भगवान के, जैसे जन्माष्टमी नवरात्रि, तो हम लोग व्रत क्यों रखते हैं?
हाँ, क्या है जैसे कि वेरी स्पेशल सेल आता है ना, अभी अमेज़न पे सेल आता है, अमेज़न दुर्गा पूजा सेल। तो लोग क्या करते हैं ना, बहुत पहले से जाके दुकान पे खड़े होते हैं और परचेजिंग करते हैं बिकॉज इट्स अ हैवी डिस्काउंट। सो एकादशी जन्माष्टमी इज अ डे व्हेन वी get lot of benefits, spiritual benefit. By small endeavor we get a lot of spiritual benefit. On those days we do not waste our time in eating and sleeping, so we spend more time in the Krishna consciousness, like upavas. This upavas, upa matlab near, vas matlab sitting. On upavas we sit near to God, sit near to Krishna's katha, sit near to Lord's holy name, so that we get lot of benefit. That's why we do not spend so much time in eating. Yes beta. Yes Hitashi beta.
चाचा हम लोग जब जन्माष्टमी होती है तब सोते क्यों नहीं है रात को?
एक्चुअली रात में ना भगवान जी का जो जन्म होता है ना, वो बोलते हैं 12 बजे जन्म हुआ था, तो भगवान जी के जन्म होने के बाद हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, उसके बाद हम रेस्ट लेते हैं बेटा।
ओके
ठीक है, बिकॉज भगवान अपीयर्ड इन नाइट 12 o'clock ना, मिडनाइट। यस ओके, सो अभी एवरी डे आप सब लोग 11 राउंड्स चैंट करेंगे और हमको व्हाट्सएप में भेजेंगे कि हमने कर लिया है, ठीक है। परिधि आपको भी करना है, और हिताशी हर्षी आपको करना है, ओके वंशिका आपको करना है, मेधा आपको करना है, पीयूष आपको भी करना है, ठीक है।
हमें रात में भी करना है क्या?
नहीं, एक बार दिन में बेटा, 11 times एनी टाइम। बेटर टू डू इन मॉर्निंग टाइम, ठीक है। इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू मॉर्निंग देन आफ्टरनून, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू आफ्टरनून देन इन नाइट। एटलीस्ट आफ्टरनून में बिफोर टेकिंग योर लंच यू कैन चैंट एटलीस्ट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू मॉर्निंग, ठीक है। यस वंशिका, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन?
प्रभु जी बिफोर यू आस्क वन क्वेश्चन कि हम लोग देखिए, हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस करके चॉकलेट खाया तो मना करती मम्मी लोग, तब भी हम लोग खाते हैं। तो मेरा जब एक एग्जाम्पल हुआ है कि मुझे हल्दी वाला दूध बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, तो मम्मी मुझे अभी दी है, तो मम्मी बार बार आ रहे हैं, बोल रही पियो पियो अच्छा होता है, पर अभी मैं पी नहीं रही हूँ, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता बिल्कुल।
Yeah, nice example. Like Karela is bitter. We do not like it, but it is good for us. So there are so many things like we give so many different things. Yes, nice. Thank you, beta. So just I want to conclude this class with just summarize. So today we shared that how we can free from past sinful reactions and sinful inclinations. How? By the chanting the name of the Lord. The more we chant the Lord's of name, we become reformed and we will become free from all past sinful activities. I shared the story of Valmiki, how he was dacoit previously and he turned to the sages by the chanting the Lord's name, the Lord Ram's name. So in the Kali Yuga, the Maha Mantra is Hare Krishna mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare. So more we chant, more we will become purified and reformed. Then we will become free from all sinful reactions. So thank you very much for coming together on this ISKCON Vrinda Children Garden classes. Hare Krishna. And Harshi, your t-shirt is very nice. Thank you for wearing this t-shirt. Hare
You
Krishna.
only gave us.
Oh, thank you, but I forgot. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
Hare Krishna, beta.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hitashi. Hare Krishna, Meda. And Meda, tell Geet also my Hare Krishna. Okay?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Madhuri. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Tusha. I hope you liked it. It was new. Thank you.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, beta.
प्रभुजी
Yes, Meda.
मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि
पूछिए.
why do we have to chant or why do people do mala? Because I don't do that. Why do people do it?
Acha, today's session was that only, na? By chanting the Lord's name, we become free from all previous reactions and we become reformed. And all sinful inclinations also we become free. And like in different time, different ways are there for purification. Like in Kali Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, Treta Yuga, Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga especially.
Prabhuji,
yes, beta.
one more doubt I had that there are many festivals, right? Like in Diwali, it is we do the aarti of Ganeshji and Lakshmi Mata, and then in Durga Puja do it of Durga Mata. Then, but is it necessary in the festivals of the god or goddesses of their festivals? You have to do only their aarti.
Actually, this is a very important question, and we need to understand this in detail. Next time, I'll take this topic only. Why do we have so many god and goddesses?
And Prabhuji,
yeah.
Yesterday, actually, I don't know Durga Mata's aarti. It's written in the aarti book, but I cannot read it.
Yeah.
So yesterday, I did the aarti for Ganesh and Lakshmi Mata, but.
Okay.
Then is that wrong or is that fine?
Okay, beta. It's not wrong also, and not perfect also. It's not wrong also. It's not perfect also. So, what is the perfect way to please them? I'll share next session. It's very nice you asked me this question, and I should address this because Durga Puja. Many people I think it should be go to worship Durga. Yes. Thank you for asking this. Yes, Vanshika. Yes, Vanshika.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, my daddy has a mala in which he chants. So in that mala, we do like this and saying something inside her. So I want to know that if we chant mala, so it's 1 0 is something small. And once we completed it, we are chanting Ram name 108. So we do that. So Prabhuji, if we completed 108, so how will we know? Because it's going not that side when we chant.
Beta, I'll show you in the chat. Okay. So this is a mala we chant. So there are 108 beats are there. Okay, so when we chant one mantra, we move to next beat. And after chanting one more mantra, we move to next beat. So once we complete each beat one mantra, that's why we count. That's how we count. It's not we are moving. We take a count it. Okay, one beat, one mantra. That's how we move. Okay.
Okay, Prabhuji, but now are we supposed to leave or we will stay?
Yeah, we will. Thank you, beta. Thank you very much. Mishka, you chant, continue to chant, beta. You are chanting how 108, na? Thank you, beta. Very nice.
Actually, by chanting, I sleep. So in the morning, I continue it and then I close it again from that Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya mantra. At night, and I start one more every day. Like
this. Very nice, beta. Thank you, beta. Haribo. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Bye, Prabhuji.
Bye, beta.
Bye, Prabhuji.
Bye.